Alright, check this out. I thought my batteries were leaking when I got out here into the garage. See that puddle right there? If you come over here and look at the gas water heater, look what it's doing here. I fixed this so it doesn't leak down here, but this overflow deal here, water's coming down here into the catch pan. Now it's draining down here, but I don't know what's going on here. What do you think? I'm glad I called the plumber on this one. You know, some things you just can't tackle yourself. They ended up replacing the cold water supply valve and inlet tubing to the water heater and this overpressure relief valve on the side. And appears to be all fixed up, but the timing, you know, right before Christmas, you know, the expense, but you got to do what you got to do. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.